Are there permanent crack repairs available, or will some maintenance always be necessary? True permanence for crack repairs is rare because building movement, temperature changes, and moisture cycles keep stressing joints over time. Start by diagnosing the underlying cause, not just the visible crack. Look for settlement, thermal expansion, freeze-thaw cycles, or poor substrate bonding, because fixing the symptom without addressing the cause invites recurrence. For masonry or concrete, remove weakened material and widen the joint slightly to create a clean backer and proper mechanical grip before applying a high-quality elastomeric sealant. Use a foam backer rod, twice the diameter of the joint depth, to control sealant thickness and ensure adhesive stress is within the sealant manufacturer guidelines. For painted or plaster cracks, cut a V-groove along the crack, remove loose material, clean with a stiff brush, apply a bonding primer, and fill with a flexible filler designed for the substrate, then sand and repaint with matching flexible paint to accommodate movement. For dynamic joints, or where movement is expected, choose a silicone or polyurethane sealant rated for movement and compatible with adjacent materials. Read the technical data sheet for recommended joint width to depth ratios and cure times, and follow surface temperature limits during application. Finally, document the repair method and materials used. Photograph the area, and set a simple inspection schedule so you can detect early signs of failure and plan touch-ups before water infiltration or cosmetic deterioration becomes a bigger repair. 3 common mistakes are using the wrong material for the expected movement range, improper joint preparation, and ignoring the underlying structural cause. Many people pick a rigid filler for a joint that moves frequently, which leads to cracking within months. Choose a sealant with a compatible % movement capacity instead, and follow thickness guidelines. Skipping, cleaning, or failing to remove loose substrate prevents adhesion and causes early failure. Always clean to sound material and use a primer if recommended. Treating only the visible crack without checking for settlement, drainage problems, or systemic moisture issues gives temporary results. Inspect adjacent areas, grate and gutters, and repair any contributing issues before sealing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to longevity and repair planning. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange experiences, ask questions, and share photos so everyone can make more informed decisions about upkeep and realistic maintenance plans.